Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer your WordPress site to a new hosting provider step by step clearly. Log into your current hosting provider account. Access your WordPress site's dashboard. Navigate to the plugins section. Install and activate a migration plugin, such as Duplicator or All-in-One WP Migration. Create a new package or backup using the plugin. Download the package and any necessary files to your computer. Log into your new hosting provider account. Create a new hosting account if needed. Access the control panel or dashboard of your new hosting provider. Create a new database for your WordPress site. Make a note of the database name, username, and password. Now, go back to your computer. Upload the package files from the migration plugin to your new hosting account. Use an FTP client if necessary for large files. Once the files are uploaded, access the migration script in your browser. Follow the on-screen instructions to install your site on the new server. Input the new database details when prompted. Once the migration is complete, delete any installation files as instructed. Now, update your domain's DNS settings to point to the new hosting provider. Allow up to 48 hours for DNS propagation. After propagation, test your website to ensure everything works correctly. Check all links, images, and pages for functionality. If issues arise, consult the migration plugin documentation for troubleshooting. Finally, optimize your database with a plugin for best performance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.